Hey Glam Dolls, I'm back again to share with you all some more fabulous goodies I scored by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you all waiting to see what the Glam find at her local Dollar Tree this time. Okay, I am so excited to be here and to share with you all these fabulous goodies that I found. First, oh, so excited. First thing up out the bag, let me show you all that glitz. This was my first time coming across these in my local Dollar Tree. I haven't really seen them populating all over YouTube yet, but these are the shower steamers. So while you're taking your shower, you just drop this, you know, in the shower stall or the bathtub if your shower's, you know what I'm talking about. The point is, you let the shower water run over this and it creates like a vapor. Now, the last time I had something like this was when I bought the one by Alka-Seltzer, okay, and that was when I had a stuffy nose or whatever, and it helped to relieve my sinuses. Now this one is pomegranate and green tea, and these are a shower steamer, and it says turn your shower into a relaxing experience. So happy to have found them. So you know I took 2 of them. Wasn't gonna leave that behind. Next thing up, now my aunt put me on to this one. This is by Arm & Hammer Essentials Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash, and this one is infused with baking soda. Now my aunt told me how this gives a real good lather and it rinses really clean, and it leaves her skin feeling so moisturized. So when I saw it, I picked it up. So if any of you have tried this before, don't be afraid or shy. Comment down below. Let me know if what my aunt was saying was pretty accurate, because this is paraben free and it's vegan, and this says it's dye free. So, and it smells pretty decent. So I have that right there. So you know I couldn't go up in Dollar Tree and not pick up some more Dow soap. Yes, this is the Marula oil version of the Dow soap. It smells incredible. So you know I got some more of these. Got that right there. Now this here I have seen a bazillion and 10 times up in Dollar Tree, and I never did pick it up. But lately, since I've been so addicted to anything that's anti-aging, that's promising to turn back the hands of time, you know I be all over it. Especially if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel. And when I say official, that means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, which knows I'm addicted to anti-aging products. So this is so fresh, so clean, and it's a green tea wash off mask, and it's a 15-minute facial therapy of self-heating mud-based formula. Hello, when I finally decided to, you know, really investigate this, I said this is a mud-based formula, better than me paying money to go to Switzerland. So got this right here. So excited. And once again, if any of you already tried this, let your girl know. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. I want to hear some of your feedback too. Don't just watch the video. If I'm showing you something and you know you use it, holler in the comment section. Okay, this I wanted to fall out on the floor. Abilene eye makeup remover. This gently and effectively moves the most stubborn eye makeup without burning or irritation. This right here. Now I already have a video, which is this video right here. I already have a video up on the channel sharing with you all the Abilene that I use just to remove my makeup in general. That worked extremely well. So I was so excited when I saw the actual eye makeup remover. And when I looked to see this in like Walgreens or Walmart, CVS and stuff, child, I saw this for almost $7. So to say this was in Dollar Tree, I should have bought about 20 of these. Luckily, I didn't get 20, but like I keep saying, if you're an official Glam Doll, you know me. I definitely got more than one. Just saying. What else is in here? Okay. It wouldn't be Dollar Tree, right? It just wouldn't be Dollar Tree if I didn't go in there and score some new Bolero. Yes, I got some Bolero. I'm like the Bolero addict, all right? I'm like Miss Queen Bolero of Bolero products, okay? Anyhow, this is the pink sea salt and rose water version, and it's in a brand new packaging. So I have the body wash, okay, can't go wrong with the body wash. I also have the serum, okay, the serum, which is right here. And then this is the facial wash. So I got the facial wash, the serum, and the body wash. And let me tell you, it smells incredible. Oh my gosh, this smells so incredible. When I was in the store, no way was I gonna leave this behind. Smells incredible. So that's the Bolero. And dun, 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 some more nails. Yes, you know I'm not gonna go in Dollar Tree and not snatch up my nails. So I picked up this design right here. These are the Sassy and Chic. I got that design right there. It's pretty much clear with an animal print tip. Super, super, super cute. I got 2 of them because when it comes to Sassy and Chic, 1 pack honestly don't do all 10 of my fingers. So I always buy 2 packs. And then I got this gorgeous pink design right here. These pink ones. It's pink and silver. You can't go wrong with pink and silver nails. So I got those, and that was or is the first bag. So the last bag I have to share with you all and get these little goodies out. These are some random little miscellaneous things. You know, some things are new, some things are previously purchased. But this right here is some mermaid nail clippers. I got that. I only got it because it's in rose gold, and I've been addicted to rose gold colored things lately. So got that right there. This I picked up the silicone scrubber. Okay, it's a scrubber. Now some people use these for doing their dishes. Now bear with me, stick with me. You can use this on your face when you go to a luxurious spa. They use these things on your face when they're giving you a facial. It's rubber, so it's not going to irritate your skin. It's not going to scratch up your skin or anything like that. And it's going to effectively exfoliate your skin and really get rid of those dead skin cells that be lurking all over your face. Like, you know, like when you apply your foundation and all of a sudden it looks cakey? That's because you ain't scrubbing your face. So I got one of these for that. That's what I'm going to use it for. That may not be what you want to use it for. That's what I'm going to use it for. So like I said, I got the purple and I got the pink. I got the purple and I got the pink. Purple, pink. Purple, pink. I'm so silly. My video is over. I only have 2 things left. Anyway, I picked up another one of these right here. What I like to do is put my nail polish remover in it. You go like this. I put my nail polish remover, take some cotton ball. It's just a dispenser. You can also put your favorite facial lotion in here. You can put your favorite serum in here. Nail polish remover. You can put whatever you want. You can put your foundation in here. You can put whatever you want in here. But I like to use this for when I'm traveling and I have my nail polish remover. But this one, since it's so small, I might just put my facial moisturizer in here. I'm gonna think about it. But in the meantime, I have that. And the last thing I have to share with you all. You're gonna like this. You ready for it? You ready for it? What? Do you see that? You see what it says? What? I got the so on time. Let me take this phone call real quick. Hello?
Hey, yeah. She'll be getting off the train after 30, so she should be here.
Well, once you get with her, then call me back.
Okay.
And then I'll head your way.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Sorry about that. I'm supposed to be running out to meet my friends for some cocktails, and I'm over here slaying some Dollar Tree haul with you all. Oh God. But anyway, I'm taking this with me when I go meet them too. Okay, I'm taking this with me when I meet them. This is the sleigh fan. Okay, it was right up in Dollar Tree, so I got that right there. I should have brought more than one of these because I know my friends is gonna be like, where's my sleigh fan? And I'm gonna be like, honey, only one of us can sleigh at a time. Okay, on that note, dolls, really this honestly did just conclude the video, because now I gotta pull all this stuff away. Whew, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate your patience. And I told you all the original content was going to continue. I'm just going to be adding new content into this community. So if you haven't done yet already, hit that subscribe button. Join in on this amazing official Glam Doll community. That way you can stay in the know for fabulous beauty on a budget finds that I will be sharing with you all. On that note, once again, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to go ahead, start putting this stuff away, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.